Alright, so we're at this apartment building, and this one is centered around this lake here. And some residents reported that they saw a turtle that they usually see in the lake out in the street. I don't know what he was doing out in the street. So service team, Wayne and Bill, looked around on the streets and they found him. Let's see what kind of a turtle he is. What kind of turtle is he?
Snapping turtle. Here to stand it over to me.
Big.
Yeah, he's definitely very little.
So what are you gonna do? Do you wanna try to not touch him? He looks like he has claws.
Claws, you don't want to, their necks can stretch very long.
Yeah.
You gotta be careful wherever you grab them. But I'm just gonna see if I can't just roll him out of here or give him some space.
Okay. Snapping turtle rescue.
You definitely don't want to touch him.
No?
Oh, no. He'll take fingers off.
I want to see him walk. Look at that prehistoric looking...
That's a dinosaur, right?
Dinosaur.
Yeah.
Yeah. There he goes. Yeah. Yeah. Did you see him out there in the street?
Yeah.
Cool. Way to go, everybody. Good to have a snapping turtle in there.
Because it keeps the population of all the fish and everything else down. It's just basically having any sort of carp in here or anything like that. It'll keep the lake clean and kind of managed without us trying to do it.
What else is in here?
There's grass carp, there's bluegill, there's a couple largemouth in here. There's probably more fish than I know that's in here, but they're in here.
Yeah, I want to keep my eye out for it. And we don't know how many turtles. That was just one.
That was just one, but I've only seen that one big one, and only heard the one big one. So I'm thinking that's the one.
That's the one, and he's back safe.
Back safe. It's our mascot.
Yeah. The snappers.
The snappers. Lakeridge snappers.